Hello again. This is Ann Shaw with Your Delmarva Business, and today I am proud to have with us Eric Short from First Home Mortgage. Good morning, Eric.
Good morning, Ann. How are you?
I am great.
Thank you for having me here.
Thank you for coming. How did you settle into First Home Mortgage?
First Home Mortgage, I got here 18 years ago. Been with the company ever since. I was a transplant to Delmarva originally. I've been here about 23 years and came in with another employer, and unfortunately that employer parted ways. We ended up closing our plant. So I ended up switching careers 18 years ago. And I looked at different opportunities and decided to enter the mortgage world. Selected First Home Mortgage. Wonderful company that helps support home ownership, especially for first-time home buyers. I do a lot of work with first-time home buyers.
What do you especially like about helping home buyers get their mortgages?
It's bottom line self-satisfaction. I am making a difference in someone's life. I am making sure that they are going to be stable and successful. And I personally am vested in this. This is my community. This is where I work every single day, and I want my customers to literally be my family in the future.
Now, I do a lot of real estate work, so I understand pre-qualification. But especially most first-time home buyers don't. What is pre-qualification?
Pre-qualification is basically getting yourself acclimated to what the lender expects of you when you start the process. You need to be fully aware of all of the expectations before you begin, before you shop. The pre-qualification process involves review of income, of credit, stability, the collateral, in other words, the home that you want to buy, and reserves. We are making sure that the applicant has the right ingredients to be approved. Okay, so when you enter the process, you will have full confidence. You will know the loan program that you're going to use. You will know the price range that you will be shopping within. And you will know that you will set yourself up with a mortgage payment that will be affordable for you.
Now, you talked about shopping.
Yeah.
Do you have different types of mortgages that you offer?
Yeah. Keeping it super simple, I explain the mortgage process this way. On a federal level, there are core mortgages, conventional, otherwise known as Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, and then government insured, which are rural development, FHA, and VA. Those are the federal programs that are available to all consumers in the marketplace. The state of Maryland offers benefits in addition to the federal programs. The state is not reinventing the wheel. They use the federal programs, but they offer subsidies on the rate of interest and down payment assistance. And then I get to a local level, and we have local nonprofits here in Salisbury that offer grants, renovation type loans, and even second mortgages to help the purchase of a home. So I'm looking at federal, state, and local benefits for the consumer.
That's amazing.
Thank you.
Because I have so many people that complain that they went to a certain bank and were only offered one type of mortgage.
As I mentioned earlier, I want my customers to have success in the future. I am relentless in looking at all options for my customers. That's why I'm getting my gray hairs. So I want them to have the full benefit of all options.
Many of the people that I talk to dearly want to buy a home. They have the goal of owning a home and being part of the community. But they have financial problems in their past, or maybe even a bankruptcy in their past.
Yeah.
I understand that you are very good at dealing with tough cases.
Yeah. This, as I mentioned, I've been doing this 18 years now. I will be here hopefully another 20 years. I see it through with my customers. My job is to look at their situation and give them the proper advice to set the stage for future success. And if it is a 12-month wait or a 24-month wait, so be it. But that is part of pre-qualifying. It does not hurt to get into the lender 12 months early. Find out what you need to do to ready yourself so there are no surprises. You are not making a knee-jerk decision. You are making sound, logical decisions with proper time to plan and execute.
And Eric, what for you is the most important thing to you about what you do?
It's being ethical, being honest, always doing right by the customer. Every transaction is its own transaction with difficulties. I see every transaction through for my customer. And I mean, I'm part of the community. I want them to succeed.
Thank you. Thank you so
Annie.
much by giving your time to us today. Eric Short with First Home Mortgage. All of his contact information will be on our supportdelmarva.com website. Please go to our website and find his contact information. Thank you.